Miss Susanna, and welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Farm animals are those animals which live among humans. It keeps you company, guards your house, provides you with food like meat and dairy, and some of the farm animals also help with physical labor to keep the farm running. So today we are going to learn few of the names of farm animals, okay? So let's go ahead and learn it. Children, repeat after me. Horse, goat, pig, rooster, cow, bull, hen, sheep, duck, rabbit, goose, cat, dog. So before going ahead, let's sing a song, okay? I hope everybody knows the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Maybe? Okay, so let's learn the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm, okay?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So this is a recognition activity. Over here I have a box, that is a shoe box, and I have attached few farm animals, and inside that there is flashcards of the same farm animals. So now the children need to recognize the picture from the box and pick up from the flashcards and put it inside the hole. Like this, they will understand as well as recognize the farm animals quickly as possible. You also need to make sure to tape it so that it can be protected. This is a simple sheep craft. Over here you need to make the head and body of a sheep and stick it with cotton and clip two clippers to make the legs and put one earbud to show the tail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and soon you will start recognizing all the farm animals' name. Parents, kindly go to the description box down below and check out the assignments and make sure that you submit it on time. I will see you guys soon again with another interesting topic. Till that time, take care of yourself and stay at home and stay safe. Bye.